Let's learn the alphabet with the help of some art and fun. Part 4. P is for penguin. It's a happy little penguin waddling with its short legs. Q is for question. It's a question mark. R is for rocket. 3, 2, 1, blast off! S is for socks. It's a pair of clean socks. T is for train. It's a wood burner train. Let's make it bold and clear by thickening the lines. Time to color. Penguin. Black. Gray. Question mark. Red.
What?
Rocket. Lime green.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
Blue.
3, 2,
Yellow.
1.
Orange. Red. Turquoise. Socks. Purple. Green. Train. Red. Green. Gray. Yellow. Purple. Pink. And gray. Time for glitter glue. Now, time for stickers. Amazing! We've got another 5 letters of the alphabet. Letters P, Q, R, S, T. See you in the next video for the final 6 letters.